Bree got this slow, let's see, fingerlings. It says it plays, swing them, pet them, rock them to sleep. It says they play songs. Here, let me see. Let me see the front. Come over here. It says fingerlings.com. Melody, glitter sloth, 40 plus sounds, baby sloth. Okay, let's see. Let's unbox it. Some baby sloth. Oh, he's alive. Let's see, can he sit on your finger? Oh, he sits on my finger.
He sits on my finger. He sits on my finger.
Here, let's bring him outside. Is she laughing? She's so cute.
Why won't she go to sleep?
She will. She just woke up.
Close your eyes. 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 Close your eyes.
Doing?
She's sleeping.
Is she really? Oh, she is. How did you do that? Can you wake her up now?
I said, ah la la, ah la la.
Will she wake up if you pick her up? Oh my gosh! Wow! So you're like its mama.
Yeah.
Are you her mama?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I got called for a monkey.
Monkey?
Yeah.
Aww.
Will she go to sleep when I pick her down?
I don't know. Let's see. If she's tired, I'm sure she will.
Ah la la, ah la la, ah la la, ah la la.
Oh, she moves.
Oh, I love it.
Look it. There's almost 2 of them. It's just right here, too. What do you think, Bree?
Good with 2 of them.
There's one right next to it, too.
Can't see.
Yes, you can. Look up. Look it. There's one rainbow, and then there's one to the left of it, too. How do you not see it, Bree? Look kind of behind the tree. Bria, right next to the rainbow. Look. So many colors. It's got all the color.
I bet you can't catch me.
I love rainbows so much.
I bet you can't catch me.
No, we're eating dinner, Bria.
What did you say?
It's so weird. It's just right there. I'm having a pretty bad day.
You can't catch me.
You see the rainbow, Narina?
You can't catch me.
I know, because I'm going to eat dinner.
You can't catch me. Na, 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 na,
Bria, I want to look at the rainbow.
It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am on my way to official first therapist appointment, so I'm pretty nervous and I don't know what to expect. I'm pretty sure I filled you guys in on how I felt about everything last time I was there, and how I was a little bit offended by like her guess on like what was going on with me without really knowing, you know, without only knowing like the gist of the story, not even like the wholehearted like things going on with me, like they just, I don't know. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous because I'm pretty sure I'm like meeting with this same woman again, and yeah, I just don't know what to think, but we'll see how it goes. It's a beautiful day. My front tire is low on air again, but it is, let's see, oh, I can't even tell you what the temperature is. It is gorgeous out though. It's pretty chilly, so I am in a pair of leggings and a sweatshirt. So yeah, and I curled my hair just a little bit. Where am I going? I don't even know where I'm going. So yeah, I am going to go on my appointment, and I guess I'll fill you guys in when I get out. I got a pretty busy week here, so I don't know how much I'll be able to film. And this dash thing is just not working. But, oops, yeah, I got a pretty busy week. I got so much to do. I am actually like, I'm actually pretty nervous about everything. Being that, you know, we are getting on an airplane in less than a week, and we still have to get Bria's cast off. I still have to meet with this therapist. I still have to figure out what's gonna happen with my medicine, and I can't like run out of my medicine, but I can't get you know, an early refill, like a second prescription, because my doctor is currently retired, so he can't give permission from my insurance. So I don't even know. I'm wondering if it would even be worth giving insurance a call or not. But yeah, I kind of got myself in this mess, and now I'm regretting it. But yeah, my Nana's watching the girls, so I'm very grateful for that. But I gotta get in here, and I'm so nervous. And I gotta show you guys something once I get out of the appointment. I'll show you guys. Alright, bye. Okay guys, so I just got home. I am about to get out of the car. The appointment went really well. I got a little bit of homework to do for the next appointment, but I really enjoyed our session. She seems to really care. She wasn't taking notes though, so I felt like it was a little ADD, like the whole session. Like she was kind of all over the place asking me questions, and then like I was all over the place answering questions. But I'll talk more about that later. It's kind of personal anyways. But I did pick up some things from Walgreens, so I guess I'll show you guys when I get inside. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I don't know if I told you guys, but we got this camera that I have been wanting for quite a few months now. It's very similar to the one I'm using right now, but it's probably way better and also way heavier and way more confusing. Don't knock that down. I can't get over how heavy it is, but it's okay. I just have a very, very light camera. Whoa, peekaboo!
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo!
Hi.
So, yeah, so the appointment went well. I don't even remember the last time I vlogged, so all I can think of right now is how confusing the vlogs are going to be after Disney. holidays are gonna get really confusing and messy with my vlogs because I can't upload the day of. I don't have enough time to edit the videos, which I repeatedly have said throughout all of my videos. So I apologize if it's confusing or if there's one vlog jumping from day to day to day. So all I wanted to say was I apologize if there's a lot of confusion with the vlogs. I know I am so bad at ending them and saying goodnight or goodbye. So I know it's probably gonna, a bunch of short clips of the days are gonna go in one vlog and just jump right over to the next day. But I wanted to show you guys, I got Bria an LOL doll, which was the last one at Walgreens, so I was thrilled to get like an original LOL doll. So we did that little unboxing. I forgot about that. We did that unboxing for you to check out if you have kids that like unboxing videos. I'm trying to keep it more appropriate, I guess. Like, well, if I'm going to include an unboxing toy video in my vlog, I'm going to try to keep those vlogs either censored or just like clean. But so I got that camera, and can you see how all over the place I am? I got that camera and it didn't come with a charger, but it came with a memory card. Quiet down. Came with like a 62 gigabyte thing. So I had to order a charger, and this was like $15, and it came with the actual like battery charger, and this just goes right into an outlet. And then it came with 2 batteries. So there's 1, there's 2, and then it even came with a car charger for the camera. So I don't know if this plugs into the camera or if this plugs into, yeah, it plugs into this, I believe. And then, oh, and then I put the battery in there. I forgot, I'm not charging the camera, I'm charging the battery now. This one that I'm using, you just plug like the whole camera into it. It's kind of a weird wire too. I guess I'll show you on when I'm filming on the that camera. And I wanted to do a little review on it, so I'm going to try to use it for a few weeks and then do a little review and let you guys know what I think. Right now, I think I am still very used to this camera specifically, and it's lightweight, and it's you know, it kind of has like the beauty, what's it called, filter. So I'm really liking this camera over the Canon, and this is a Sony, just because it's so lightweight and easy to use. I don't have to put like much thought into using it. But yeah, and then it also came with this little thank you card, which I love. I love like thank you cards and things like that. So it's the Power Extra brand. Excuse my nails and my dead skin from washing bottles. I'm very satisfied with this. I also got a cleaner, a little towel, and I've been needing one of these so badly. I remember they used to give them out with like everything. They'd give them out with your phone, your camera, like anything you bought that was electric, you got one of these, and now you don't really get them anymore. So I'm really happy about this, and it's a baby blue color. I really like it. So yeah, all of this for 15 bucks. I thought one of these was going to be like $50, just this alone, or even just this alone. So I'm very happy, and I'm going to give them a good little review. I'm very satisfied. My camera's going to die. I also picked these up for the girls. They're the numbers and the letters, and they stick to like the tub, or don't do that. Be easy. They stick to the tub. And now I'm going to try to start teaching Bria her letters and her numbers, because apparently 18-month-olds are learning their numbers or no letters, and yeah, she's 3, so she should start learning these things. I also don't know if I showed you guys this. cute, it's a mama bear keychain, and I think that was it. Yeah, just this mama bear. So cute. And I'll put a link below if you like that. Bria also has this one, and it's a baby bear. So I wasn't sure if I showed you guys that yet, but it's baby bear. She also got this Mickey, this little Mickey one, which is really nice. And she has some keys on here. She's got like a little car key and a little skeleton key. Oh, and I don't know if I showed you these either. Little ballerina, her name. This is the bag, her ballerina bag. It says her name and the shoes and all these ribbons. And then she has one other thing I'm not going to get to show you because this is going to die. But it's basically, oh, here it is. It's this little unicorn keychain, which is very cute as well. So yeah, hope you guys liked this. I'm actually going to go film on this camera down here because I filmed a video last night, or the night before last night, and I'm going to redo it. Basically, I'm going to redo it. So, love redoing videos.
No? You don't want no more? All fruit? Okay.
Mama? Can you say mama? You have to go poo-poos.
What are you doing? I don't know what she's doing.
What are you doing, Bree? Don't throw away my shoes. Where are the shoes? Oh, right there. Trying to get the baby out? Okay, let me see. Oh, the baby's locked in.
I was worried. I
was worried. I thought I was doing the right thing. All this happened because of me.
Okay. Ooh, it's a dress. Pretty.
It's a dress.
Look at it.
Wow.
Looks like a French dress. Or no, what is that? Oh. What kind of dresses are these? What kind of dress is this? Is it like Greece? Maybe Greece or French?
I'm so sorry.
What kind of dress is this? Hey, there's your baby. You want to come out?
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me need to untangle. And I'm a fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me, fool for you. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me.